Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I am 99% sure I know exactly what's in this box and who it's from, but we're going to get into it just to be sure. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some of these cool stickers, there's of course a link down in the description. Your support would mean the world to me. Alright, so this gentleman, if I am assuming correctly, has provided an enormous amount of content to the channel just by himself. And the funny thing is if there's something I'm looking for, there's like a 70% chance that he's got it. So I'm always really excited to talk with him and see if it's something that that he has in his possession. And I wonder, there's probably no note in here because he's probably like, dude, you should know for sure by now. We have the exposure up way too high. These unboxings, it's so weird getting the exposure. Oh, that's why I didn't lock it. I'm sorry about that. The unboxings are so weird because that initial priority box is so light. I'm 99% sure that this package was sent by at Herm's thing. Sorry, we're getting the exposure down so you guys can see that. I want you guys to follow him because he's an excellent person. It's because of him, and I'm able to bring you guys tons and tons of amazing content. All right, let's go ahead and get into this. Yeah, so I am almost 100% sure I'm going to mispronounce this, but I believe this is the SNECX. Oh, that's cool. So I got to be honest with you guys, Wii has not put out a model that has interested me in a while, other than the Productions Shamwari, and I don't know, maybe one more. I mean, it's a lot of times like they're, I don't know, it's hit or miss for me with their collaborations. The quality is always there with Wii. In fact, I'm going to link Wii knives in general down in the description, so those of you who have never experienced a Wii knife, you guys can shop Wii knives if you want to. But I guess, as is the case with everybody, any design, you know, a group of designs is either hit or miss with everybody. But it seems like, as of late, Wii has released a lot of stuff that I'm like, I'm sure it's nice. I'm just not really all that interested in it. But I love the brand. They make good stuff, so I've always got my eyes and ears open. And this guy, man, yeah, aesthetically, this definitely did it for me. Nice and smooth. Interesting size, too. This feels 7 3/4. I'm going to make an honest guess, and we're going to go ahead and measure it just to see if I'm right. No, it's longer than that. It's about 8 inches overall, which is actually the size that I prefer. But I love that blade, and I love the fact that we've got a simple overall profile, and then some of the complexity is in the fine details, which is something that I always appreciate. There's a pivot collar. Well, actually, no, it's like a shadow around the pivot. That's interesting. Okay. Blade steel, I'm going to guess. Okay, so yeah. The reason I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce this word is because it's spelled SNECX, which is almost undoubtedly based on a custom that I am shamefully unaware of. Sorry. It's hard to keep all this information in my head all at the same time. What are we looking at here? CPM 20 CV. Yeah, this is a very, very beautiful knife, and I'm very interested in handling it for a while and taking a look at it. Absolutely. So once again, let me remind you guys, give at Herm's Things a follow on Instagram. Let me cover up mine for a second. Give at Herm's Things a follow on Instagram because he's a really, really good guy. And is always just, every time I talk to him, he's like, yeah, no problem. Here you go. And I appreciate that, man. That's really, really kind of you. I'm excited to give my thoughts on this. You guys will see it down the road with a full review on my channel. But for today, I think that's going to be about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.